Alright, one last thing before I go about cleaning this. The spool posts on the back of this machine were originally just threaded through this bracket here, but as you can see, this one is very wobbly, so what I'm going to do is just take this bracket off, and then I'm going to find some nuts that will fit on the bottom of those spool pins. And that way we'll be able to lock those spool pins in place, because like this one is the loose one and it's so damaged, like they don't want to unscrew, and there is a tiny screwdriver spot in the top, but if I just put a lock nut on the bottom, that'll stabilize these against the stripped out threads here. So I'm going to do that with these and pop this off so I can take it away and test for threads. Alright, I'm going to clean this plate up. Just a Dremel. This is a Scotch-Brite style abrasive wheel. It's lowest speed. Alright, and then removing the glue from that window, and now that I've got the major oxidation and stuff polished off of this, I will just wash this with soap and water, and then hopefully after that it will look pretty nice. Okay, so I cleaned that up with the Dremel, and it took most of that green layer off, and then I washed it. Not too bad looking. So this panel is cleaned up, and again, not doing a restoration on this machine, just cleaning it up. So like this buttonhole knob just has generic filth on the plastic here, so doing that, and then taking the Dremel there, polishing that knob up to clean it a little bit. Go. All right. Next, we've got this. Okay. Now I've got to polish up this all chewed up knob here. So. Was that enough to make this? Nope, still not slipping on there real easy. So I'm going to upgrade to This is a pretty dull sanding. And that feels smoother. Aha. And now that knob fits on there nice and easy. So, all right. There we go. Okay, so this window belongs back in this piece. Because this is a very old plastic, the Dremel will probably just disintegrate this. So I'm just going to take something sharp to make sure and scrape all this discolored glue a bit. Brush those edges. Wipe thoroughly, and then and put a dab of E6000 on either end of this, because E6000 does like to stick to everything. I'm just gonna put it in like that from the back side, and it is squeezing a little bit out the front. Take our rag and wipe it there, and now we just have to wait the 24 hours for that to set, and that E6000 should hold just fine for another 70 years.